Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. Reading po ito for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates, guys. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pang-search na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan, ma-appreciate ko yung likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot, ha? Search mo ako sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan yung aking TikTok. Follow mo ako dyan. Meron akong mga sinishare na videos then that maybe can help you. You do have the 9 of Cups and the Emperor. Nakakarinig ako ng air sign. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Bukod sa ito na rin naman ang lumabas with the 9 of Cups. The Aries also is here with the Emperor. Bottom of the deck is the 3 of Wands. Ayan. Followed by the 3 of Swords. I feel like you're thinking of someone right now. You're imagining this person. Alam mo yan, ano? Yung iba sa inyo to the point na daydreaming ka dito sa taong to, no? Kahit busy ka, biglang matutulala ka na lang. Iniisip mo yung kayo, yung siya. And with the Emperor, pero nagmamatigas ka. You know, you do have the 3 of Wands. You miss this person. Namimiss mo siya or gusto mo siyang magkaroon ng conversation sa inyong dalawa, but I don't feel like, kasi nga nagmamatigas ka dito eh. So, gusto mong makita or makausap tong taon to, pero hindi mo nafe-feel na dapat mong gawin yon. You know? Lalo na with the 3 of Swords, yung iba sa inyo, you're broken-hearted. Wow, guys, there's this 333. This is an angel number for you, 333. So, yung iba sa inyo might be, you want growth, you want reconciliation sa inyo nito person na ito, namimiss mo siya. Gusto mong, alam mo yung, maybe for some of you, if you are friends, gusto mo ng more than friends. Kung magkarelasyon na kayo ngayon, maybe you want more than that relationship. You want marriage. Kung married na kayo, maybe, you want na mabalik kung ano man yung dati ninyo nung dalagat binata pa kayo. You know what I mean? You want all of this. Pero, parang, kailangan hindi magmatigas ako. Kailangan hindi ko isipin itong mga bagay na to. For some of you, ganun. And, let's move on, dear person. Messages for your person. Sino tong person na kakonect mo? For fire sign. Sorry, ibang card pala ang gagamitin ko, no? Person nakakonect mo. Hindi ko alam kung may tattoo ka ba. I'm seeing a tattoo like maybe sa braso or what. Or yung person mo could have a tattoo. Or thinking pa lang na magpa-tattoo. This could be a reading. Person ni fire sign. Please prioritize nyo, guys. You over the Page of Wands. Clarify this. Nakakita tayo ng separation but there's communication sa inyo nitong taong to. Yung iba sa inyo, if you're already married, maybe there's children na involved sa inyong dalawa, and sa ngayon, this person may mga gusto siyang decisionan, like maybe there's a decision making regarding money, etc. 3 of Swords is here. Kung hindi pa kayo kasal or hindi kayo married nitong person na ito, hindi kayo magkarelasyon or what, some of you may third party na involved, like pati sa bottom of the deck ng person mo, may 3 of Swords tsaka 3 of Cups, oh. Nagpakita rin yan kanina sa iyo, di ba? Ang wala lang dito is the 3 of Wands, which is nagpakita sa iyo with the 333. But we see here the 3 of Swords and the 3 of Cups. So, for some of you, yeah, search mo yung 33 or 333 angel number. Pwedeng may message sa iyo yun. That's your angel number. You do have the King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pwedeng you're dealing with a very successful or stable person financially. Some of you also a very spiritual or very traditional na person. Anong emotion mo sa taong to? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of air, fire sign. Emotion mo sa taong to. 6 of Wands is here. Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the 6 of Swords. There's this blockage. So, parang sa ngayon, kung ano man ang emosyon mo, kailangan mo kontrolin. Like with the Queen of Pentacles, pwedeng nagpo-focus ka lang sa iyong career, stability, etc. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw ay nagmo-move on. Maybe because dahil may children na involved dito. So, for some of you, if you're married, maybe you are in a career wherein may pagkakalayo sa inyo and then kailangan mo mag-focus sa children, ganyan. And kailangan mong, you know, regarding sa connection ninyong dalawa, hindi mo dapat unahin ang relasyon or ang emotion mo sa taong ito. For now, you are focusing on children, no? Kung hindi naman kayo married or walang relationship sa inyo, I feel like there's blockage. And itong blockage na ito ay might be, utak ang pinapairal mo sa ngayon dahil hindi pwede. You have to move on. Some of you, kailangan mong mag-move on talagang literal. Iniisip mo, hindi, kailangan mag-move on, hindi ko dapat isipin to taong to because there's blockage. Okay? May nakaharang sa connection ninyo. And more on utak talaga ang ginagamit mo pagdating sa bagay na ito. Okay? Side ng person mo, emotion niya para sa'yo. Hindi ko kukunin itong mga nasa taas. Okay. 2 of Wands is here. And 7 of Cups. Actually, ang focus niya ngayon is yung dreams niya. This person is manifesting something. And then, pwedeng may mga kinalaman nyo sa plano niya. Okay? And your person is, I feel like, may mga plano siya na kailangan niyang gawa ng desisyon. Ito mga bagay na ito. So, isa pa ito sa nagiging focus ng person ito. And we do have your money, 10 of Pentacles. So, isa pa ito sa, you know, more on career, pera. Honestly, you're dealing with someone who don't care about the connection or kung ano man sitwasyon ninyo, like kung kasal man kayo or hindi, or magka-relasyon, magka-friends, whatever the connection is, ang person na ito, wala siyang pakialam sa emotion niya. But some of you, this person loves you, mahal ka niya, and kaya hindi nawawala yung connection eh. Kung may connection sa inyo, hindi nawawala yung connection kasi mahal ka niya. You know, this person is like you, honestly. Kaya niya magpaka-cold, kaya niyang mag-focus lang sa career, pero dahil hindi nawawala ang connection sa inyong dalawa, gumagawa pa rin siya ng paraan to connect with you, nakikipag-chat or whatever sa iyo itong taong to. It only means one thing. Importante ka. Mahal ka niya. Okay? Busy lang siyang tao, pero may emotions siya para sa'yo. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? I like this. I like this. You do have here the 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, and the 6 of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. In the near future for fire sign. The Fool is here. Wow. The Moon. The Strength card and the 10 of Cups. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. I can see money for you in the future. May pera, may success para sa'yo. Abundance is here. And I feel like kailangan mo muna maging successful. Kung gusto mong maging kayo ng person na ito, may future sa inyong dalawa, I feel like kasi yung connection ninyo may involvement ng pera. And kailangan maging successful ka muna. So, you need to focus on yourself. This is you. If you think that this is your soulmate, this is your twin flame, whatever, hindi ka dapat mag-focus sa connection ninyo. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Kasi itong connection na ito, matutuloy to basta may pera ka. Kasi I told you kanina pa lang dito sa energy ng person mo, this person wants money. Hindi naman dahil sa pera ang habol niya sa'yo. Pero ang focus nitong person na ito is yung future. Gusto ko maging maayos. Gusto ko maging maganda yung future ko. And this person wants to have a person na sasabay sa pangarap niya, sa plano niya. And if that is you, you need to focus on yourself. Nagigets mo yon. Okay? And then, I feel like pag nangyari ito na you are already successful, etc. And then, there's this connection sa inyong dalawa na mas magiging mas matibay, mas magiging mas maganda. I can see happy family here. And I feel like magte-take ng risk itong person ito. If this person needs to take a risk, magte-take siya ng risk. Bakit? Kasi, this person cannot deny yung pagkakapareho sa inyong dalawa. And that includes money. Money thinking kind of person, you know? So, gusto niya yung mindset niya, mindset mo rin. So, kung ganun kang tao, kaya mong pumantay sa level ng pag-iisip ng taong ito, here comes the offer coming from your person. Here comes your soulmate. The Queen of Swords is here. You want to be happy. And if you want to be happy, kailangan mo rin mag-take ng risk. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo munang unahin ang obligasyon, responsibilidad. I'm seeing you working so hard here with the 10 of Wands in the near future. But there's this new love coming. Kung kailan busy ka, marami kang ginagawa. And or, marami ka din namang pera. Oh, I can see your person coming. So, you need to focus on yourself. No? Oo, there's twin flame. But, hindi ko naman ibig sabihin ng twin flame is destiny agad kayo, diba? You have to work on yourself. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.